That's the joint. We. Let me see something. Cuz, what's cracking, cuz? You back there? Talk to me next. Look, dirty, dreaming.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of 2021, period. I hope you guys have been enjoying your new year. I hope your Christmas was great. Introducing Cleo and Majesty, since they want to be all up in my video. Some videos that y'all seem to love are random hair videos. So today I decided to randomly do some locks to my hair. So basically, if y'all want to see how I got these easy locks that required no braiding part, no section like of braiding, no crochet, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you are subscribed, turn your post notifications on, like this video, and do not forget to share. Y'all also leave it in the comments down below what type of videos y'all would also like to see. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got these beautiful locks that literally took me like 3.5 hours, then continue watching this video. It's giving me, I know I'm looking crazy. We gonna get to the hairstyle, okay? I just wanted to show you guys like a hair update. I wanted y'all to see what my hair is looking like and how crazy it is looking at the moment. Yes, I know I'm giving very much Frederick Douglass, very much Sanford & Son, very much Harpo, Don't Let Them Beat Me. I just wanted to talk about like the products that I use to wash my hair. My hair is partially blown out. I did not feel like blowing it out all the way. I washed my hair with the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. I'm just gonna put a picture of what I'm talking about right here. I used 2 different shampoos because my hair was very much dirty coming from those Marley twists. But if y'all haven't seen my Marley twist tutorial, I will link it up above. Y'all check it out because I did a really good job and y'all seem to like it. So I'm gonna keep doing these hair videos for y'all. So yes. I also wash my hair with the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Sulfate Free Cleansing Shampoo. And then to finish up with conditioning, because I do like to use some type of a conditioner to make my hair soft again, I use the Organics, the Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. I also applied the Coconuts Curling Cream from Cantu Shea Butter. I just put it all over my hair, like all over my ends and stuff. And I will be also applying it while I'm doing each lock. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys like the hair that I got. It is from Amazon. The bag is gonna come in something like this. It says the new Faux Locks 24-inch crochet extensions. This is the brand card that's gonna be in the package. These are the locks. Now, I want to actually braid it into my hair, and that's what I'll be showing you guys. I tested it on one piece of my hair yesterday and I was like, oh bet, you literally don't need to braid, you don't need to crochet, because I do not know how to. I don't want to sit there and braid my whole head. I don't feel like sitting there and crocheting, because I probably could learn how to crochet, but a girl don't want to do that. I'm sorry. I'm just used to doing singles, like singles braids, singles twists, whatever, all that. I'm used to doing that, and the rubber band method. Basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and like finish majority of my head and come back to y'all with like the top portion. The package came with 6 packs, but from that hairstyle that I did for my little boat trip, I only have 3 packs left. We're gonna make something shake with these 3 packs of hair in this and my natural hair. We're gonna do something. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I am basically almost done with my little short locks. They're super cute. I just want to show you guys what they look like and everything. Let me go to the back so you guys can see. They're super light and honestly like just really pretty. I literally have 2 more left. 2 more. Just 2. I'm just showing you guys how I use it too. It's right, the rest of the hair that I have is right there, and I had completely enough with the 3 packs that I had. I had enough for my whole head. So, and I'm gonna have a few strands left over, and they're the 24 inches crochet. So if anyone wants to know the inches, it is 24 inches. So this is how long the piece is. 24 inches, but what I'm doing is I'm holding it, I'm twisting from here. So, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'll be twisting it in like that, like so. For this rubber band method, you want to of course have your rubber bands. I use the Annie's 1,000 rubber bands, and as you can see, I put oil in them. I used just a little bit of the Jamaican black castor oil, and I just like poured it, drizzled it on top. of the rubber bands, and I just shake up the package. Nice and coated with the oil. That low-key gave me the heebie-jeebies. I have two pieces left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do them for you guys on camera. So yeah, that's my middle part and everything. So I have the two sections left. I'm just gonna go ahead and section them off, or separate them rather. I like to use this Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. It's a wonderful like replacement for the jam. You don't have to get jam if you don't want to buy jam. I had this laying around, and it's the Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. Take the product, it's about that much. We have our hair separated nice off, and we're just going to apply the edge tamer on each section. About this much. Taking a nicely oiled rubber band. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the hair, because we're not crocheting it in, we're twisting it in or braiding it in. You just do it like this. So have the pieces how you would have like braiding hair. You just take the hair, wrap it around the base, just as if you were getting ready to braid. So wrap around the base, make sure the pieces are at equal length. So like here. Then you're gonna begin to braid. Literally so simple. I just started with a braid at the base. And you can't really tell that it's a braid at the base because these are locks. Yeah, just do a braid from there. That's the braid. And then what you want to do is split your hair into two on each, then have it on each side of the twist. And then you just want to twist all the way down. Very simple, no braiding, no crochet. Literally the easiest way to do locks. And it just starts to look like a dread. Like, I know you can kind of see like the twist pattern up here, but it starts to look like a lock towards the bottom. Yep. And then all you gotta do is when you get to the ends, just take your hand, the palm of your hand so you can close it up, and just twist it like you would do a lock. Have it nice and twisted up. And there you go. That's a lock, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one. Follow the same exact steps. Just taking this hair, having it like it's braiding hair, wrapping it around the base of the sectioned off hair, making sure the pieces are at equal length from its tips. See? Then we're gonna start the braid. And then when you feel comfortable enough, just separate the hair into twos with the lock and then begin to twist down. And that is it. That is how you achieve locks look with this particular hair and without using crochet or braiding sections down. Literally just the rubber band method. And yeah. Twist it in there and done. Woo! Literally so adorable. Like, they look so good. And I love the length of them because they're not too long. Do anything with these. It's very, very, very versatile. And just to further moisturize my scalp, I like to take the Braid Sheen Spray. Girl, this is what the bottle looks like. Go in and spray my scalp down. Alright you guys, so that is how I did my locks without braiding or without crochet. Did y'all see how easy it was? I know. It was so freaking easy. Thank you guys so much for reaching to the end of this video and making it to the end. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video all the way through, and I love each and every single one of y'all. Y'all are literally amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today's locks tutorial. We love to see it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all. Peace out. Bye. There's some whores in this house.